In this video, we will introduce how to make a successful SIPP call. Step 1. Firstly, make 2 rate tables for egress and ingress. Set up a rate table for egress by clicking on Switch. A drop-down will appear, and by selecting Rate Table, a new window will appear. Click Create New. The Create Rate Table window will appear. Fill in the rate table name. Then scroll down the page and fill in code, code name, country, and the rate. Click Save. Follow the same steps to create an ingress rate. But note that rate for the ingress must be higher than the egress rate, otherwise the call will not terminate. Step 2. Click on Management. A drop-down will appear. Select the Carrier option. The client page will appear on the screen. Click Create New. Fill in the egress carrier name. There are two types of payment mode, prepaid and postpaid. Select Postpaid and click on Unlimited. Go to Company Info and put the company name, main email, and billing email. Click on the Save icon. You will get a message to send a mail to the vendor. After clicking OK, you will see an option to add egress trunk under this carrier. By clicking this option, the Add Egress Trunk page will appear. Add trunk name, IP and port. And by clicking on the Save button, the trunk will be saved. Step 3. Click on the routing header. In the drop-down, you can choose dynamic routing or static routing. Choose dynamic routing. the dynamic route page will appear. Click Create New. Add the routing name. Choose which routing rule you require. Then select the carrier and in the trunk name section, the required drop-down will appear. Click on the Save button. Go to the routing header and choose a routing plan from the drop-down. The routing plan page will appear. Select the Create New option to add the routing plan name and save. The page will appear displaying no data found. Click on the Create New button. The Add Route page will appear. Select the route type and routing name and click on the Submit button. The route will be created successfully. Step 4. Click on Management. A drop-down will appear, then click on Carrier. The main window section will appear with a list of available carriers. Click on Create New to add a new carrier. First, add a carrier name. Then select a payment mode from prepaid or postpaid. For this, select Postpaid and click Unlimited. Add the company name and email by clicking on the company info. Finally, you can save this carrier by clicking on the Save button. You will get a message on the screen to send a mail to the client. If you click OK, then the client will receive an email. By clicking on the Add Ingress Trunk, you can add trunk under this carrier. Then click Ingress Trunk Name, IP and Port in the required sections. Scroll down. You will see tech prefix, routing plan, and rate table. Fill these sections in and finally click Save. You can now make a successful call.